Good morning, student. My name is Dr. Jaykumar Jain, Associate Professor, Department of Information Technology, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal, the SAGE. So, in Artificial Intelligence, RT 504, today we will understand one more topic, that is the production system. So, we will see here in this lecture what is the production system, how what are the various advantages of production system, how we design the production system. So these things basically we will understand in this particular lecture. So let's start the production system in artificial intelligence. What is production system? Search forms the core of many intelligence process. It is useful to structure AI programs in a way that facilitates describing and performing the search processes. Production system provides such a structure. In other words, the process of solving the problem can usually be modeled as production system. A production system consists of four basic components. So basically we can say that for solving the any problem, we have required some set of rules, some set of protocols. Basically we can say that. So these set of rules and set of protocols basically is called the production system for solving the any problem. Okay, suppose if we have a water check problem or suppose 8 puzzle problem. So if we have a more than one solution for solving the water check problem, so all assumptions or all possibilities we have to write in the our production system. So for solving the particular water check problem, so that is these things basically is called the production system. So suppose what are the four basic components? A set of rules of the form CI uh, implies AI, where CI is the condition part and AI is the action part. The condition determines when a given rule is applied, and the action determines what happens when it is applied. So suppose we can say that if left hand side having the condition, so if we apply this condition, then what actions we have to taken after the applying the this particular condition. So this is tell us in the CI implies AI. Okay, this is the A part. Then B part, one or more knowledge databases that contain whatever information is relevant for the given problem. Some parts of the database may be permanent, while others may temporary and only exist during the solution of the current problem. The information in the database may be structured in any appropriate manner. Okay, so we can say that one or more knowledge database that contain whatever information is relevant for the given problem. And that means एक और एक से ज़्यादा database or knowledge database, knowledge means information about the particular object, we can keep in this particular production system. Okay, see, control strategy that determines the order in which the rules are applied to the database and provides a way of resolving any conflicts that can arise when several rules match at once. A control strategy that determines the order in which the rules are applied. मतलब कंट्रोल स्ट्रेटजी मीन्स कि कुछ सर्चिंग टेक्निक्स होती हैं जो सॉल्यूशंस को हमको फाइंड आउट करना होता है। वो कंट्रोल स्ट्रेटजी कौन कौन सी हो सकती हैं? या तो वो इन्फॉर्म्ड सर्च हो सकती हैं या फिर अनइन्फॉर्म्ड सर्च हो सकती हैं। दैट डिटरमाइंस द ऑर्डर इन विच द रूल्स आर अप्लाइड। वो जो जिस ऑर्डर में हमारे रूल अप्लाइड होंगे उसके बेसिस पर हम क्या करते हैं, कंट्रोल स्ट्रेटजी को डिटरमाइन करते हैं, सुनिश्चित करते हैं कि कौन सी कंट्रोल स्ट्रेटजी विल बी applied next. A rule applier, which is the computational system that implements the control strategy and applies the rule. A rule applier, which is the computational system. एक रूल अप्लायर जो बनता है वो क्या कहलाता है, कंप्यूटर सिस्टम कहलाता है, दैट इम्प्लीमेंट्स द कंट्रोल स्ट्रेटजी एंड अप्लाइज द रूल्स. कंट्रोल ऑब्लिक सर्च स्ट्रेटजी. क्या होती है कंट्रोल ऑब्लिक सर्च स्ट्रेटजी? हाउ टू डिसाइड विच रूल टू अप्लाई नेक्स्ट during the process of searching for a solution to a problem. Suppose we want to this we have also already taken one this example. Suppose we want to go from one place to another place, from source to destination. Then suppose we have a more than one path for one play for moving one place to another place. Then now we have to find out the which path need to choose. So this is done by the search strategy or control strategy. Okay, so here we apply the some control strategy or such techniques for finding the best path for moving one place to another place. The first requirement of good control strategy is that it cause motion. The second requirement of a good control strategy is that it be systematic. Systematic need for global motion as well as local motion. Requirement of a good search strategy is it cause motion, it is systematic, it is efficient. So these are the three property of good control strategy. Production system rules. Production system oblique rules क्या होते हैं? Production rules can be categorized as a deductive inference rule or abductive inference rule. We can represent knowledge in a production system as a set of rules of the form: if condition, then condition, along with a control system and a database. The production rules are also known as condition. A condition implies action, antecedent, then consequent, pattern, then action, situation, then responses, feedback, back, then result pairs. For example, if you have an exam tomorrow, then study the whole night. What should you do? If you have a exam tomorrow, then you have to study whole night. So this is the action. After that, action against the situations, we can see that. Okay, recognize act cycle for production system, match condition, premises, patterns, conflicts resolution, applies, check. Now these are the some features of production system. Some of the main features of production system are expressiveness, intuitiveness. In real world, many times situations comes like, if this happen, you will do that. If this happen, this is so, then this should happen, and many more. The production rules essentially tell us what to do in a given situation. A simplicity, the structure of each sentence in a problem system is unique and uniform, as they use if then structure. This structure provides simplicity in knowledge representation. This feature of production system improve the readability of the production rules. Next is the modularity. This means production rule code the knowledge available in discrete pieces. Information can be treated as a collection of independent facts which may be added or deleted from the system with essentially no deleterious side effects. Next is modificability. This means the facility of modifying rules. It allows the development of production rules in a skeletal form first, and then it is accurate to suit a specific application. Knowledge intensive. The knowledge base of production system stores the pure knowledge. This part does not contain any type of control or programming information. Each production rule is normally written as an English sentence. The problem of semantics is solved by the very structure or representation. These are the category of production system. There are four category of production system: partially monotonic and non-monotonic, partially commutative, and not partially commutative. Four classes of production system, which is already we have uh, told to you. Suppose production system describe the operations that can be performed in a search for a solution problem. They can be classified as follows: monotonic production system, a system. This is basically very important part of the production system, which is all usually asked in the examination. The four classes of production system. So first one is the monotonic production system, a system in which the application of a rule never prevents the later application of another rule that could have also been applied at the time of first rule was selected. That means uh, a system in which the application of a rule never prevents the later application of another rule. Means rule never prevents, जो कि नहीं उसको स्टॉप करे later application of the another rule को application को एक्सेस करने के लिए प्रिवेंट नहीं करे, वो कहलाता है मोनोटोनिक प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम. हाँ. Then partially commutative production system, in a production system in which the application of a particular sequence of rules transform state X into state Y, then any permutation of those rules that is allowable also transform state X into Y. So this is the partially commutative production system. Means X और Y का जो परमुटेशन ऑफ हैं वो ही परमुटेशंस X कि उसकी जितने भी ट्रांसफॉर्म्स होंगे उनमें भी वो सेम परमुटेशंस एंड कॉम्बिनेशंस होंगे. तो दैट इज द पार्शियली कम्यूटेटिव प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम. Playing the games of bridge, these are the example. Partially commutative, monotonic partially commutative system are useful for problem in which changes occur but can be resolved and in which the order of operation is not critical. That is the 8 puzzle problem. Production systems that are not partially commutative are useful for many production problem in which irreversible changes occur, such as chemical analysis. When dealing with such system, the order in which the operations are performed is very important, and here correct decision have to be made at the first time itself. These are the some advantages of production system. Production systems provide an excellent tool for structuring artificial intelligence programs. Production systems are highly modular because the individual rules can be added, removed, or modified independently. The production rules are expressed in a natural form, so the statement contained in the knowledge base should the recording of an expert thinking out loud. These are the some disadvantages of production system: opacity, inefficiency, absence of learning, conflict resolution. It may be very difficult to analyze the flow of control within a production system because the individual rules don't call each other. So you can explore these disadvantages. Thank you so much.